Hey everyone, so this is the PowerShell tutorial series. Be sure to go in the description, download that PDF by clicking on the link. This document was created by the by GoalKicker and the Stack Overflow community, so thanks to them. And I'm just going to go through the guide and do my best to help you understand those particular chapters. If you have any additional comments, just comment in the video and let me know. Be sure to like and subscribe because I'm going to be trying to go through all the chapters, but it might take some time. Don't know how long it will take. So yeah, let me know what you think. So here's chapter 1. We're going to first have to allow scripts stored in your machine to run unsigned. So what that means is by default, PowerShell scripts cannot run on the machine if they're not signed. So you have to run it as an administrator, PowerShell as an administrator, and go ahead and just set that execution policy to bypass, bypass right here. Okay, and if you do it that way, it's going to be something that now you're setting your PowerShell scripts to bypass mode, so now you can run anything. It's not suggested in production because you want to run signed code and not run anything unsigned, so that any malicious adversary won't be able to execute PowerShell scripts on that endpoint. Okay. You can also, if you just want to do it for the process and then leave and then when you close it, it'll revert back. You can just do set execution policy bypass process. Okay. So, and this is right here. It just says if we run PowerShell and we just want to do it for that script, then you can actually just run the command line in PowerShell and run it and then set the execution policy bypass and then specify the file. And it'll just set it for that script. So what that looks like is if you just go here and do get execution policy, you're going to get your policy and what you set it to, okay? And we're going to do set execution policy, and if you're not using Visual Studio Code, and I suggest using it because it's going to be better than the local ISE editor, the PowerShell ISE that you have default on your computer. But if that's what you got, that's fine. But Visual Studio Code is free, and just add those PowerShell modules, and it's going to be a better experience and a lot of modules you can leverage. So set execution policy, and we want to do bypass. Okay, so we do that, and as you can see, I'm not administrator, so I can't set this mode. Well, we can do scope, maybe process. Maybe I could do that. Yeah, I could do that. So just for this instance, we can now run whatever we need. Scope current process. Oopsie. Bypass. Yep. So let's do another one. Let's do all signed. So just see if it works. There we go. Okay. All right. So that is it for chapter 1. It was a little quick, but it's just really preparing your environment to be able to run these scripts that as you continue further along in these chapters. Okay. Thank you for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe, and get any updates on any new chapters I'm posting. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.